Band 9 in IELTS speaking seems impossible, right? Wrong. Today I am going to break down exactly how you can hit that magical line even if you are stuck at band 6.5 right now. Moreover, you don't need to marry an English teacher or to have a full-fledged dictionary in your brain or have a British accent to achieve band 9 in IELTS speaking. Stay with me till the end because at the last minute I will share a technique that has ridiculously improved my speaking in IELTS exam as well. So stay till the end. The first section of this video is about the myths about band 9. So let me clear you one thing. A lot of people think that band 9 means perfect English, perfect grammar, uh, use of some those kind of words or vocabulary which is highly complex. You don't need all of these things. Examiners are looking for a human, not a robot, because they want a speaker who is natural, fluent, and is grammatically correct. Section 2 of this video is about the you should know the rules of the game first. You should know whom you are fighting and who your enemy is. Before you play a game, you want to know about the rules of the game, right? In IELTS speaking, there are majority of the time there are only just 4 rules, or you can say the 4 criterias on which you are judged on which band score you will fall after your exam. First rule or criteria is fluency and coherence. It means how smooth and logical your speech is. Second one is the lexical resources. It means that how and what is actually your range of vocabulary which you can use naturally. Just focus on the words naturally. One is the grammatical range and the accuracy. It means the use of the grammar and the use of the sentences correctly and accurately, not perfectly. Remember it. Fourth and the final rule is pronunciation. It means that how clear your speech is, how it is that much easy to understand that what you are actually trying to say to the examiner. And here is the hack. You don't need to max out all of these 4 rules. If you slip the grammar a bit, but you are natural, you are fluent, you are coherent, then no one can stop you from achieving band 9 in IELTS speaking. Third section of this video is about stop speaking like a student. This is number one thing which hold people back from band 9. And how? Because you try to speak like it an exam rather than having a natural conversation with the examiner, because they are not judging you on any other criteria except the 4 which I have just mentioned previously. What's the difference between the exam mode and natural mode? Let me give you an example. Exam mode is my favorite sport is cricket. I like to play cricket because it is interesting. And what is band 9 examples? Oh, cricket. It seems interesting because I still remember when I first watched a match live, the atmosphere was electric. See the kind of the body language, the kind of the expression, the kind of the natural tone I have, rather than I love cricket because it is very interesting. Here is the difference you need to make in front of the examiner. The section 4 of this video is about vocabulary without memorization. People waste so much time on memorizing PDFs like 1,000 IELTS vocabulary words, 1,000 best words to use in IELTS writing as well as in speaking. Trust me, they are just a wastage of time, because most of the time when you are in exam situation you cannot remember that words, because in exam scenarios you are given a limited time and we are not practiced ourselves according to the time limit situation. Instead, what you need to do, take the normal everyday life words and just level them up. And how you can do it, let me give you an example. For example, instead of using happy, you can use over the moon, on cloud 9, thrilled, electric. Band 9 student uses vocabulary naturally rather than reading like a thesaurus. Okay, just stay natural, fluent, coherent. That is what you all need. Section 5 of this video is about knowing those kind of practice test that actually works, those kind of practice that actually works for you. The truth is that you are not going to get band 9 in IELTS speaking if you just try to read the IELTS books. Okay, you need to understand one thing very clearly. You need to practice those words. you need to practice real exam conditions, you need to practice with a real exam partner. You need to do these kind of things. Record yourself daily while answering the IELTS speaking questions, and then stop where you sound robotic or hesitant. Second, speak to your friends in English rather than speaking in Urdu or any kind of language which you use daily routine. It will make your tongue fluent with English and you can really speak naturally after some time. If you really want to use the fluency and coherence, you just need to use a technique which is called the topic flip, which I have used in my IELTS speaking exam as well. And how you can do it, just take a object, for example a watch, describe it one minute. That is how you improve fluency and coherence in your English. Just remember one thing in IELTS speaking, that band 9 is not for perfect people. It's about a good and natural communicator. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then why you are not subscribing my channel, then why you are not hitting the bell icons? Because I made a lot of effort for you guys to achieve your desired band score in IELTS. So why not to like my video and share with your friends who are going to take the IELTS exam very soon. Comment your problems. I can definitely reach you out and definitely help you out in achieving your desired band score. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Lafis. Bye bye.